We've got a slight issue with this door that I wanted to show you. Looks okay, right? Opens and closes fine. Let's take a closer look at this and see what's going on here on why this door needs to be repaired. Let's take a closer look down here. I look further up on the door and there's some more. See that outline right there? All the way along there? It's kind of raised right there. Some moisture's come into this door. And we're in a little bathroom and there's a shower close to this door and the moisture's gotten inside of here and it's kind of bulging this. Once it breaks the skin, the door is going to be all over. You're going to have to replace the door or patch it, do a Mickey Mouse patch on here. Good thing is it is on the back side of the door, so when you open the door all the way, it fits up against the wall, you know. And then there's a shower over here. Okay, see how that door is? See when it opens up against the wall? It's right up next to the shower. And granted, not much water is going to hit it, but the steam of the shower gets on the edge of that door. And there it is. See, it's starting to lift right there. Now, if we can catch that soon enough and clamp that down and glue it back together and maybe put a little touch-up paint on there, I think this door is going to last a little bit longer. I'd rather do that than replace this door right now. Now usually when you have a door like this, see, it's got the raised edges all the way around the door, and these types of doors paint up really nice. But usually the side rails, these side rails right here, sometimes are solid wood. And then you wouldn't get that problem with it pulling apart like this one is down here. Man, that kind of amazed me. I thought that was a solid piece of wood. See, there's that indentation, that little growth there. Got some water damage in there. And that's pulling apart. And that's why that tells me this side panel is not hard, a full piece of wood. It's a veneer that's glued over a side piece, and then they've painted it and everything. When it was all together, it looked fine. You never could tell the difference. But this is hardboard material, and it's only maybe a 1/4 inch, and it's layers and layers and layers of like crushed cardboard material. And once it starts peeling back, it's hard to get fixed. So that's why, you know, I'm going to attempt this repair. How long is it going to last? I'm not sure, but if we can get it now, I think it'll last a few years longer. Now, see what I mean? See all that? Look at all those different layers of material. And when it's all matted together and glued, it's fine. Once it starts lifting, it doesn't take long for it to do more damage. See there? I don't know, maybe 20 different pieces of little cardboard material in there, all sandwiched together. Once this gets too bad out of shape, you might as well go ahead and get a new door. You know? This is how they make doors a little bit cheaper, by getting this type of material. But if you have a choice between a door like this with skins on the sides for a paint grade door, you might want to think twice. You might want to look and see if they have solid wood rails, this whole piece over here. You know, from here to there. If that was solid wood plus the bottoms, You know that bottom rail on the door there? That's that same material, but if that was all wood, you wouldn't have these problems. You might eventually have a problem in the gap right there, you know, and lots of times you have that, like on exterior doors or your back doors to your garage. Go look at that, and if it's years upon years, that thing's probably all falling apart because they only last so long, especially on exterior conditions. But take a look at your doors, especially the ones in your bathroom, and see if there's anything like this, and if there is, maybe you can fix it and save your door.